So let's run, make a great escape, and I'll be waiting outside for the getaway. It doesn't matter who we are, we'll keep running through the dark. Shout out to K Candash. No. Sorry, bud. Sorry very much. Shout out to June Seal 3312 with this pretty good trade, but I'm not accepting anything in this. So sorry. Should probably say that. This is no, but shout out to Batman is 8. Yeah, go follow her. Shout out to Nia14 with this awesome trade. Now, as I said, I probably would accept this, but this is trade proof, so I'm not accepting. Shout out to 22 Budkill. But as I said, trade proofs, so not accepting. Shout out to Pink's Fox Eye with this okay trade, but this was in stores. Oh, never mind. Okay, so I may accept this trade, but let's review this art first. Oh, it's actually pretty good. But I said this is trade proofs, and shout out to Beta CF09 for this really good trade. Oh no, they declined to trade for a blue lung? Oh my god, that's so rare and so mean. Oh my god. I feel so bad. Oh, go follow my friend, by the way. She's Artstick25. Oh, sorry, Artistic. Yeah, you're good. Okay. Hello world. Hello. World. Okay, this is gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you for watching my first video ever, and good night, y'all.